Rhino Restoration of Texas is a leading roofing company that specializes in roof repair, roof restoration and roof maintenance in Austin, Texas. With over a decade of experience in the roofing industry, the company has established a strong reputation for providing high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. Their team of skilled professionals is equipped with the latest tools and techniques to deliver reliable and cost-effective roofing solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Contact our roof maintenance today to schedule a consultation. Are you looking for a roof maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Rhino Restoration of Texas. What time of year is best for roof maintenance? Fall is generally when roof replacements are done. Fall is frequently seen as the ideal season to replace your roof due to the mild spring temperatures and reliable summer weather. How often should I maintain the roof? It is advisable to employ experienced and trained roof repair professionals to undertake a full assessment of your roof and any necessary repairs at least twice a year. Although some homeowners decide to handle their own roof care, this choice has significant dangers. What is your roof maintenance service area for the Austin, Texas office? Our local roof maintenance have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Austin, Fredericksburg, Llano, New Braunfels, Lampasas, Temple, Cameron, College Station, Brenham, Columbus, Gonzales, Navasota, Killeen, Seguin, Saba, Burnet, San Marcos, Grange, Madisonville, San Antonio, Waco, Houston, Texas. Where is your roof maintenance Austin, Texas business located? We are located at 8912 Achita Drive, Austin, Texas 78749. Our phone number is 512-825-0478. Visit our website, www.rhinoroofstx.com.